Hey everybody, sorry it's been a while. This year it's been pretty difficult. It's just me this year, no employees, no nothing. If you remember last year, Bender, or Jeremy, I referred to him as Jeremy, he was with us, and this year he decided to start his own business, flying drones, doing pictures and videos. So I have some special cool footage in this video. So video credit and photo credit to Bender for doing some aerial cool things, like you seen the intro, like 20-30 seconds ago. That was all Bender. But this one we have a very, very large deck staining. It's 57 by almost 30, something like that. Either way, it's almost 1,000 square feet. But it's going to be pretty cool. I got quite a bit of drone footage, some pictures and whatnot. So it's not just me, taking a video while I'm trying to do work and whatnot. We actually have some really cool stuff for you. So stay tuned and let me know what you think. I think we're going to have Bender come on all these next cool projects that we have if I need drone footage, and I think that might be my new standard for videos. I mean, like, we're almost done with the season. I got like 2.5 months left, so it's not a whole heck of a lot, but I'll try to get you guys some more footage between now and then. So like I said, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to try this outro thing again. I was in the Bravada, and I was in Pick and Save getting some groceries and whatnot, and left my phone in there, and it's 87 degrees out, so I'm in the middle of recording this outro. It was like, oh hey, the phone's too hot, we're cutting you off. I'm like, son of a bean. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I'm sure there's going to be a few more videos like this to come. And then November 1st, we start trucking again. Next year, I think I'm going to, hire a marketing manager, just someone to manage my books, manage appointments, schedule appointments, and then probably just hire Bender to do videography, photos, just because I'm just too busy. Like this year, I was just too busy to do any type of real videos or anything, and I did, I should say. I keep saying we, but it's only me. It's just one person. I did a lot of jobs. It's been just steady. It's supposed to be 100 degrees dang near, the next few days, so I'm taking off. It ain't fat boy weather out there, I'll tell you that much. But on good news, next Thursday, I think, or Wednesday, next Wednesday, I'm getting my knee injections, another round of knee injections. The last time I had them was October 30th of 21, I think. Yeah, October 30th, 21. My knees are really, really starting to hurt. I should have probably got it about 6 months ago, but I've just been too busy. I had everything just, solid blocked in with work. So now it's towards the end of the season and I can relax a little bit and actually take care of myself for once. But yeah, anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.